You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 149,457,523,713. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 9 plus 1 equals 11. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 8 equals 17. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Carry 1 to the hundred millions place. 1 plus 6 plus 7 equals 14. Carry 1 to the billions place. 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Carry 1 to the hundred billions place. Write 1 in the hundred billions place, and so the final result is 149,457,523,713.